Alright guys, so we're on our way. Joshua is in the back. Woo! Woo! It's gonna be bad because I am really terrible at things like this. I don't like to go fast.
I'm not.
At all. So.
Shelby obviously doesn't either because it takes her forever to get out of the freaking parking lot. I'm just kidding.
Was that Shelby?
Yep.
That wasn't even Shelby's car.
That was Shelby.
It was? Oh. I've ridden in her car. How did I not know?
I do not know. And
okay,
they all went that way.
We are on our way to the Speed Factory. If you are in Spartanburg, you should go check them out. They are really close to downtown Spartanburg. I'll actually get the address for you guys so you guys can know where to go, and I will link their website and Instagram and any social medias that they have down below this video if you're watching this on YouTube. Alright, Speed Factory. Woo! Here we are. Here we are. See what I did there?
That's unfortunate.
Oh no, we can't fit there. Christopher.
Oh yeah.
My lord.
Are you pumped?
I'm very nervous actually.
You're nervous?
My heart's racing. I don't like to speed. It gives me anxiety.
She drives like a grandma, it is true. It is true.
I'm so offended.
It is true.
It's just because he speeds everywhere that we go. Ask him how many tickets we've each gotten and it'll pretty much sum up everything.
Well,
I've only had one, and it was because I was late to school, and it had just changed from a 50 to a 30, and the cop was hiding around the corner. Christopher's had probably 8 tickets and probably gotten out of 20.
true.
When you say that's a legitimate number?
True.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
I gotta go watch the video.
Hey everyone!
Hey!
At Speed Factory Indoor Karting, we use signs and 6 different flags to communicate with all drivers while on the track.
I'm gonna do that a lot.
This way out. Get your head socked.
Make sure Ashtyn's got hers first. What? Because you're injured? Yeah.
This is not gonna be cute at all.
No. You would think that if he wanted us to come do this, that it would be our hair that you see.
Yeah, you would think.
Be the one to kick her.
I'm just putting it on because I just want to go ahead and see what to expect. Let's do it!
He looks like he's gonna fly an airplane.
I love it. I love it.
Yeah, I feel like we need a before of what we all look like before. Yeah.
We'll do it when we get to the helmets.
Okay, we'll get. You just gotta leave a little bit of hair out.
How excited are you, Shelby?
I'm super excited. I'm a little nervous though because they said it was slippery. Ah! But I'll be really, really happy if Christopher doesn't win. Yeah.
Do y'all not feel like these look like we're driving airplanes like back in the day when they were little airplanes?
If you got a small head, come on up here.
Oh, that's me.
Not me.
That's probably me.
I don't small neck, big head.
Let me know if that's too big or too small.
Oh wait, with my hair on now.
Yeah, you might need a bigger one because your hair.
Oh wait, I gotta
Do it like this.
Yeah.
Don't forget your neck brace.
Hair makes a difference, bro.
It does. Wait till I take mine off and you'll see.
Neck brace.
I should probably take it off, Mom.
That's a big
And
one.
then put it back on.
That's a large.
Hi, look at this
There you go.
Oh my
Do you have
Lord.
wiggle room? Like when you shake your head, does it wiggle?
No. The hair is cushioned. We're good.
The hair is what?
This is not cute.
Hold on.
Get out there and stagger out.
I promise you.
Don't be a hater. Don't be a hater.
Trying to race each other until they go down.
You got a helmet on, you'll be fine.
Because once we catch them, then we can.
I would.
Can't see it.
That's that thing
Alright, you're good.
that felt
Next
cute. Might
person.
delete
I'm
later.
in.
Thought you might be later.
Then once we get in them, we can
You sweating yet?
Yeah. I feel like a bobblehead too. Like, I'm just very claustrophobic.
Hey, this was not
I have no idea what we're doing right now. Yeah, I know. That's what I'm thinking. I would rather have it closer. I was like, you want it further away?
How excited are you guys?
We're pumped! Wait a second. Woo!
No, you're going to turn to the left.
America.
How are you guys going to get up there with them?
You cut me off! You cut me off!
Oh my God.
I knew you were going to say something about it. I was like, no. Who did I get over here though? Who was up over here?
I'm trying to figure it out. I got it on.
Oh, in the rear?
Over here. I was behind y'all for like 3 laps and I was like, oh my gosh. I saw the tiniest opening.
Where did that go? Oh my God.
I saw the tiniest opening and took.
And where'd you place?
Pretty good, girl.
Yeah, Christopher beat me because he black flagged.
No, you cut me off.
I told y'all I'd be last.
I was getting it, and then Gina comes this way. And I was like, boom.
behind, so I was like, oh, let me spin Chris out.
Spun her out. Spun her out.
That was so fun.
Joshua.
Holy cow.
That was close.
I had you by over a second.
Josh,
A second. 1 second.
seriously,
Did anybody's foot cramp up on the gas? My foot was cramping so hard.
I was playing by
No, with me. I spun
I was trying to go around you, but you wouldn't leave me room.
Gina was after it. Gina was killing it. 2 or 3 times I look over, Gina's like passing me. I was like, oh my God.
Speed demon Gina.
We came around right here and she had me, but I didn't see her. I was looking over to the left, she comes over to the right, and I spun her out.